Hello students. Students, this video I am making specially for the class 12th and those who want to score more than 90% in English. English is such a subject which can add to your percentage very effectively. If you're going to score good into English, that will be really helpful for you to get a good percentage in your class 12th result. Children, I know that giving time to English is the least preferred for students because I know that students who belong to science stream, they want to more focus on to physics, chemistry and maths or bio, and students who belongs to commerce, they focus more on accountancy, business studies, economics. But beta, let me tell you one thing, that scoring in English is much more easier than the rest of the subjects. I should tell you that scoring good marks in English is not difficult at all if you start doing your practice. Today, I will be giving you such tips which will really be helpful for you to score a good percentage in English. Scoring more than 90% should be your first aim in English because that can easily be attained. This is not at all difficult. This time, as the syllabus have already been reduced by 30% by CBSE, so I hope you are very much aware about the deleted syllabus. If not, I have already given one video to you for the deleted syllabus, or you can go and check it onto the CBSE website. There also you will find the deleted syllabus. Now, let us talk about the syllabus which is there into your portion for class 12th English and how you can score more than 90 plus into English. Let's start with the first section. First thing I want to say is that your reading section will include two passages this time, and into both passages you will require to write the question answers MCQs. The best part to attempt your reading section is that before reading the passage, I would suggest you that you should go for reading of the questions. First, read your all the questions thoroughly, then read the passage, because now it becomes easier for you to attempt the question, to get the answers of those questions. You become more accurate into your answers if you have already read the questions before. One thing. Second thing, children, this time you will not be worried about note making and summary writing, because I know most of the children were getting less marks in reading section due to this only. This time there is no note making, no summary writing. So you have complete chance to get full marks into your reading section. Enhance your reading skills. That's it. You need not to do anything. Just you can do that by reading newspaper while traveling from one place to another, while sitting free. You can read some good magazines, some newspaper, or I would suggest you should read your English book only. This is for the reading section, especially children. Now, moving up to the writing section. Second section is your writing section, which is very important. And there, the accuracy is needed. So for that, I want to suggest you, the first thing, you should learn the accurate and correct formats of all the writing sections. This time, you have to focus more on notice writing, advertisement, and then I would suggest you that you should more work this time on article writing, because you will not have speech this time into your syllabus, you will not have debate into your syllabus this time. You have article and you have report into long composition. One letter which is very much required and 100% that would be there into your examination, that is letter to editor. You first should know the format of writing it, and then a simple thing you have to do. Practice just one question every day. Just one question of the writing section. It may be a notice, maybe advertisement, maybe an article, maybe a letter. That's it. I will not suggest you to write 4 questions every day. Just write one single question every day, devoting a time of hardly 8 to 10 minutes for long composition also. And that would going to definitely improve your writing skills. In writing skill, one more important thing is there, beta, that there are certain topics which are repeated into the examination. You go through the last 10 years question paper, you will find that there are certain topics which are continuously repeating into letter writing also, into long compositions also. Practice them, read those questions, read the answers also, because once you will read 3-4 answers, you will become more effective in getting the better answer for that. Afterwards, start writing one question every day, and I am very much sure that your writing skills will be improved and you will attain more than 95% marks into writing skills also. Now, moving on to the literature section. For literature, my first suggestion is don't mug up your answers. Don't cram your answers. Don't learn them. First thing you have to do, that you have to understand the chapter, the story of the chapter, and then try to answer the question into your own words. That is easier for you. Once you know the story, and then afterwards answering the question related to that story is not difficult for any child. Second thing I want to say, that you must read all the chapters once. It is very much necessary, beta. Though you know the story of them, but still I would suggest you must read them, because this time you will have MCQ based questions out of your scene reading passages. That means that will be from your both the books, Flamingo and Vistas. Read the chapters once. That would improve your reading skill. That would improve your literature portion. That would improve your ability to answer the MCQs based on literature also. Second thing, beta, that while attempting the literature part, you should not write much. As per the requirement of the answer, as per the requirement of the marks allotted for that particular question, do answer into the limited words only. Do not keep on writing and writing, because that would waste your time also. And second thing is that you will be writing more than the required, which is not needed. Just focus on the content of the question and answer accordingly. That's it. Don't keep on going for writing the summary of the chapter into long question, because that would reduce your marks. Try to understand the question and then answer accordingly with the accuracy. Don't write more. That would definitely attain good marks into literature. Now, how to attempt the question paper? Because I've seen most of the children come and they sometimes complain that, ma'am, because the time was short, we left our question, or we could not complete our question paper. So for that, I want to suggest you, beta, that you should practice your solving of the question paper by keeping a watch, keep a time of 3 hours, start doing your paper and try to complete it into 2.5 hours. Try to always keep your 15 to 20 minutes separate for you, so that you can once revise your question paper, you can check back whether you've completed your all answers or not, whether anything is remaining or not. Then try to attempt the question paper into the same sequence as it is asked. Reading section first, then writing, then literature. Because try to minimize the time for the reading section. You should have a target that I have to complete my reading section just into half an hour. And you will see that it is actually attained. Writing skill, because that requires thinking, that required understanding. So that's the portion which would require maximum time. So you should attempt it in between. Then coming up to the literature. In literature portion, you are well aware about all the stories, you are well aware about all the questions and answer. It is just writing is required. So make sure that you give your efficiency of writing the answer into your own words towards the end in literature. This would definitely help you, beta. Section A first, section B, section C. Or if by chance, though I will not suggest, but if by chance you want to do it into C, B, A, then you should always try to follow the sequence. One section should be completed in one go. You should not attempt two questions of one section at one place and then somewhere in, then somewhere else. No, that's a wrong habit, because in this case you have chances of missing some question, you have chances of getting less time, that would increase your time limit. So don't go for this. Try to follow the sequence of the question paper, try to follow the pattern, focus on more onto your writing skills and your literature, because reading, I am very much sure, will definitely going to give you full marks. First read the question paper, then read the passage and then answer it. That would definitely going to help you out, children. I hope that this video will definitely help you to attain more than 90 plus into your subject. And not only this, towards the end also I am going to make such a video which will help you that how you can score more than 90 just by doing the revision in 5 days. Thank you, children.